Friends, today I will tell you about how to stop auto update of apps in Android. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for my latest videos. If you are using an Android phone or tablet, you can set for automatic update of apps when your device is online or an update is available. Friends, automatic update is a good thing if you are not caring much about apps permission and you have a lot of free data is available or an unlimited data Wi-Fi plan is there. But if you want to review the permission before updating the apps, if you don't have an unlimited data plan, it's better to off setting auto update either to off or Wi-Fi only. Friends, let's watch the demo. First open the Play Store, then go to setting. Now you can see all the options. Tap the auto updates apps. Now you can see here the options about auto update apps. Just you check the don't auto update apps. That's all the auto updates is now off. Now you can change manually. Thank you.